Your home and electronics are a big investment, and you should protect all of that cutting-edge technology from power events. Utility power can be inconsistent, and surges are extremely common. Sometimes they're obvious, like a power outage. Others are more subtle. Have you ever noticed the lights flicker when your dedicated pizza roll freezer kicks on? That's a power surge. And power surges can cause damage, no matter if they're small or big, like the ones that fry your electronics. Power surges are more common than you might think. Lightning strikes the United States over 20 million times every year. Although we can't predict when they will happen, we can be prepared for them. Protect your expensive electronics with the Surge Protector. Surge Protectors use metal oxide varistors, or MOVs, to divert surges away from your electronics. CyberPower delivers power, technology, and peace of mind. A Surge Protector is a low-cost, high-value solution to protect your big-ticket items that fits your life. Power events happen. Protect your electronics with the Surge Protector.
Reinforce the way you game with the Titan Surge Protector. Rotate the plug to seamlessly integrate with your existing setup. Fully power your PC, console, and other electronics using each receptacle. Experience a full spectrum of color with a simple touch. Switch between 4 levels of brightness by briefly holding the button, and easily turn off the LEDs by holding it for 2 full seconds. Power your setup, power your play.
Ntonpower. Power up your life.
There's no need to scramble anymore or deal with a mess of cords when your electronic device reaches 1%. Simply reach over to the corner of your desk and find your charging station. The power strip features 3 AC power outlets and an additional 3 USB ports for charging. Say goodbye to the days of having to bend down under your desk to get to those hard-to-reach outlets. The clamp easily attaches to your desk and provides a snug fit for the power strip, creating a more convenient setup.
Power and protect your workstation while keeping it clear of frustrating wires and cords with the 8-outlet mountable surge protector by Uplift Desk. The 8-outlet mountable surge protector provides power and surge protection in a slim profile with 8 outlets for all of your devices. Designed to attach to any desk in multiple ways for your convenience, the 8-outlet mountable surge protector mounts directly to the bottom of any desktop with the outlets facing the floor. Or use the included brackets to face the outlets towards the front or back of your desk. Additionally, you can use the V2 frame brackets to mount the 8-outlet surge protector to your Uplift V2 frame with our patent-pending Uplift V2 frame mounting points. The 8-outlet surge protector accommodates large or bulky adapters with outlets rotated perpendicular to the surge protector's length. The 8-outlet surge protector comes equipped with a heavy-duty 15-foot power cord to allow you to reach any wall outlet. By plugging all of your desk equipment into these 8 outlets, you prevent your cords from pulling on a wall outlet when you raise or lower your height-adjustable desk. Rest assured knowing that your important electronic devices are protected with LED indicators for ground reference and surge protection. An illuminated power switch helps you find your surge protector easily under your desk. Get electrical power and protection to your desk without the mess with the 8-outlet surge protector by Uplift Desk.